Hey guys! It's Friday night, so I'm having a night out and it's been a while. I'm going to do a makeup for this night out, so a bit more like party feel of makeup. So let's start with foundation. I'm using this BB cream. It's from Etude House, Precious Mineral BB cream. Okay, so since it's a night out, I'm going to a bar or some dark place. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to skip the powder, which I normally do. And I'm going to really focus on contouring. I'm going to make the darker part even more darker and like brighter part and give more highlights. If you go to a bar in the night, it's kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see if it's makeup. So I'm going to cover this using the concealer. It's KKW Beauty. And blend it lightly, like you're just tapping. And let's lighten up a little bit for those parts that needs to be highlighted. Nose, obviously, and their eyes, cheek, front cheek. It's like covering your whole front side with this concealer. And the forehead. Blending. This actually looks a bit too much. But remember that I'm going to the dark place. It's going to be really too much and everyone's going to say I'm wearing like super heavy makeup and it doesn't look really smoothen out if I go out like daytime under the daylight. But for the night out or like party, this is going to work. Let's do shading. This one, I got this from Korea. It's from Mimi. I think probably you can get it from Mimi box or something because it sounds like it. So it says I'm multi-stick. So I'm going to go like aggressive with it for tonight. Make sure you do on the chin so the neck and the face doesn't look too much different. And also get the shape on the forehead as well, and under your nose to make it look do I look different already? Let's do the eye makeup. I'm going to use this Nude Professional eyeshadow palette. I'll be using this glittery black as a base. And I'm going to make it even darker. From the and for highlight color, I'm going to use the gold tone from Fenty Beauty palette, the Galaxy palette. I'm going to use this color. Let's do mascara. I'm going to apply it to it curl fix. Because I wasn't able to curl my eyelashes with Pure, I'm going to apply like a couple more applies of mascara. So I'm going to let it dry a little bit, and while I'm waiting for that, I'm going to do my eyebrow. Eyebrows like super hard part of the makeup. Like it's like a challenge. I really suck at doing eyebrow. Okay, I suck at eyebrow. Forget about it. Let's do the eyeline too. I'm going to use their real push-up liner from Benefit. I bought it because it's quite convenient, because you just need to dial at the end and push it up. But what I figured is that it dries pretty well, so like, and when you dial it, it doesn't like push you up right away. Extending the length of your eyes. Time for another layer of mascara. I'm going to apply this. They are real from Benefit. I like to use different mascara at a time. Like I normally use like 2 to 3. I think I mentioned it before. Because I do use falsies, but not very often. Like when I feel lazy, I use like different mascaras instead. But that was a second coat. While I'm waiting it to get dried, I'm going to put my lipstick on. I'm going to use this color from Collab. It's Yes Ma'am color as a base. I'm going to use 2 different colors this time. I'm going to use this because I think this color is sort of MLBB color of my lips. So edge a bit softer, but make sure you don't get smudged. Because I'm having this heavy eye makeup, I'm going to use lighter color on my lips so these two doesn't compete each other. And for the other color I'm going to use is from Tarte. I'm going to apply this right inner side of the lips. It's not too different from the one I used as a base, but just a bit darker. Another mascara. I'm using the one from Etude because the one from Benefit, the GRWM, that's not really waterproof, I guess. Because like when I tried their real mascara, just itself, and it smudged a lot throughout the day. So I'm making sure to finish the last coat with something that doesn't smudge. And I'm going to wait a little bit to let it dry and do the lower lashes too. While I'm waiting for that, I'm going to do a bit more of contour on my nose. So it's from Ederbaz. And under eyelashes, okay, final touch, the NARS highlighter. Okay, it seems like it's done. My outfit for tonight, it's just a simple dress from Richard Polly. It's a brown rayon dress with elastic shoulder. You can wear it up or you can do off shoulder, of course. I have the same one in black too. Like it's my one of my favorite dress because it's pretty comfy and simple. Because you already got the fancy eyes. I normally do the opposite to prevent the makeup and the dress competing each other. Like if my dress is fancy, then I try to do my makeup a bit lighter. Or like if my makeup is fancy, like especially like if I'm wearing like heavy eye makeup like this, then I try to go like little simple on the dress, but not always. So, oh, I think I should wear this way. I like it better for tonight. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.